Say we have an irregular polygon, but we have the Cartesian coordinates of that polygon. I'm going to show you a cool way to find the area. This method has a few names. Some people call it Gauss's area formula, named after the super awesome mathematician who is most famous for explaining it. It's also known as the surveyor's formula because it comes in handy for surveyors. The surveyor can stand here, plot, figure out coordinates for points on a big old shape and find the area pretty easy. I'll show you how. Here's why it's called the shoelace method, and you'll kind of see visually why it's called the shoelace method. What we're going to do is we're going to make a little chart with our x and y values. We're going to take the points in clockwise order. So starting with A, the x value is 4, the y value is 10, B is 9, 7, C is 11, 2, D is 2, 2, and then we have to end back where we started, so back at 4, 10. Now what we're going to do is we're going to multiply diagonally. So 4 times 7 is 28, 9 times 2 is 18, 11 times 2 is 22, 2 times 10 is 20, and then we're going to cross multiply the other way to make our little shoelace design. 9 times 10 is 90, 11 times 7 is 77, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So you can see our little shoelace showing up here. So next we're going to add up each column. So here we got 18, carry the 1, 88. Over here we've got 12 plus 7, 19, carry the 1, 17, so 179. Now we're going to do this column minus that column and take the absolute value. So we're going to do absolute value of 88 minus 179, and then if we do half of that, that's the area of this guy. So that's half absolute value of negative 91, which is half of 91, which is 45.5 square units of area. Now if that doesn't sound like more fun than a barrel of monkeys, you can always just cut up the polygon into triangles and rectangles and find the area that way. Doing that, you'll just figure out which x values and y values subtract to figure out each length, and then 1/2 base times height for each one. So 1/2 of 8, or 2 times 8 is half of 16 is 8. 3 times 5 is 15. Half of that 7.5. This one's a square. 5 times 5 is 25. 1/2 of 5 times 2, that's 5. And if you add these up, 25 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7.5 gives you the same thing, 45.5. What's cool about this is it doesn't matter how many points there are. As long as it's a simple polygon, this works no matter how many points you got.